What if explicit videos, adult websites, and private voice messages are happening on a phone right now, and you only find out when it's too late? uMobix is the tool I use to stop guessing and finally know what's really going on. In case you want to check it out, there are a link in the description for free demo. That uncertainty was the hardest part. I wasn't just worried about apps or screen time. I was worried about adult content, risky behavior, and hidden activity that never shows up on the surface. I searched everywhere for answers. Is uMobix legit? uMobix review, how uMobix works, installation, and setup guides for Android and iPhone. But most explanations felt shallow and didn't show real results. So I decided to test uMobix myself, so you can see exactly how it works. The installation was straightforward. The setup took only a few minutes, and the dashboard immediately started showing live activity in one clear place. This is where uMobix really proves its value. It monitors messages, calls, apps, location, and online behavior in real time, helping identify adult content and dangerous patterns early. On supported devices, it runs in hidden mode without drawing attention. Advanced tools allow voice recording, live environment listening, and video capture on compatible devices, giving a deeper level of awareness when used legally and responsibly. The dashboard is clean, fast, and constantly updated. Whether you're following a beginner tutorial, installing on Android, or syncing an iPhone, uMobix is powerful but easy to use. This isn't about spying, it's about awareness, safety, and taking control before problems grow. So if you're still wondering what uMobix is, how to install it, or if it's actually legit, don't guess. Click the link in the description, check the free live demo, install uMobix today, and see all premium features in action for yourself.